How are you doing? How are you feeling? I hope that it's a great Saturday for you. I hope that you have an amazing mood and you're ready to start out trading session with Pocket Option. I hope that you all ate, had a nice breakfast, lunch, and maybe even dinner, because for me it's a dinner time. So guys, today we'll start as usual doing trading on Pocket Option, my favorite trading platform for binary options. And as usual, I will operate with my favorite strategy that I already explained step by step in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this stream. Also, there is a QR code that you can scan and join my Telegram channel, where I show you my strategy breakdowns, instruments that I'm using, indicators that are helping me to identify profitable entries, and of course where I share also my life. And if you have any questions that you want to ask me in private message, there is also the link in the description of this stream. You can click on that and ask me anything you want, and I'll try to help you and to reply. And yeah, let's start. As usual, I'm using MACD and 2 moving averages, and of course support and resistance lines. For now, we are just checking if we have any signals. I'm operating on the time frame 30 seconds. And let's start. Hello, Smay Latino. Hello, welcome. What's up? How are you doing? How is your day going? If you guys want me to explain you everything from the very beginning, also let me know. I think I can do that today. I think I can start from 0 0. And yeah, I'm checking. There are actually a lot of currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, but I prefer to operate on currencies because I love operating on the small time frames, and it has enough volatility. So basically, yeah, that's why I prefer to operate on the small time frames and on the currencies, because the currencies are have more volatility than cryptocurrencies or any other actives. And yeah, let's check. I already did some analysis before, but for some reason today actually Pocket Option works weird. Like, what the fuck is that? It looked fine, and now so AUD CHF kinda looks interesting for me. It has the upward trend. Let's see how stable it is. I'm searching for the charts with clear structure. Pretty stable, and to tell the truth, maybe this is the one. Maybe this is the one. It's moving in the upward parallel channel, and maybe we can take an advantage of it. Just a sec. Okay, just had to reply to one message. So, but I did an analysis on 15 minutes time frame, and it's kinda too much because I'm operating on 30 seconds, but at least we can like on 30 seconds I can't clearly tell you what is the trend. Is the upward, downward trend, lateral? But now, when we know that the price is moving in the upward parallel channel, we see that it touched here the support and it's going towards the resistance line, right? So I think we can open here the trades in the upward direction. Actually, here was an amazing signal to open the trades in the upward direction, but I opened it too late. So I would save this one, because for me this chart has a clear structure, and maybe later I would love to open here the trade in the upward direction, or maybe even downward, but for now I think it will go up. Even though here it looks like on 30 seconds it looks a little bit lateral, like it got stuck here in this zone, and like here it was going up, right? Like here we can see the clear structure going up, and then something happened. I think I can even try to draw the support somewhere here like that, you know. Like that, you see? It was going up, and then it broke the support and for some reason went down. But I believe that this is the false break, and it will continue going up. You see, even here we can see it on, by the way, 30 minutes time frame. We all the candles are green, so I believe that this one will go up. Anyway, and by the way, right now it's forming a signal to open the trade in the downward direction, but I always tell you that I do not prefer to open the trades against the main trend. Like when we are in the downward trend, I would love to open only the trades in the downward direction. When it's the upward trend, I would love to open only the trades in the upward directions. But sometimes I'm opening these risky trades, but only when I see clear structure. This one seems like, this chart seems like to have a clear structure, but because we just started our trading session, I prefer just to watch, like this one. Right now we are just watching, seeing how it goes, and maybe later, when I understand how AUD and ZD is moving, I would love to open the trade. Oh, by the way, AUD and ZD formed an amazing signal to open the trade in the downward direction, but it's kind of late for me to enter. Unfortunately, I just saw on 5 minutes time frame it has an amazing downward channel that looks for me pretty good. Clear structure. And I believe that it will go more down. Actually, we can try to open the trade for 5 minutes in the downward direction. Let's try, even though it's too late already. But I still want to open the trade, and I open it for 5 minutes because usually 5 minutes is the perfect time for the strategy that I'm using for 30 seconds time frame. But sometimes you need to see on the history of the chart how fast it's moving, and yeah, we need to figure out what is the best time frame for today, or specifically for this chart. So basically that's it, guys. Hope that everything is clear for you. The price went a little bit up. So the truth, today the chart on pocket option is moving weird for me. Like, I don't know whether they updated the website, whether there is something wrong. Maybe it's a new update, but I don't like how the price is moving. Like, maybe it's lagging. And also Telegram for me today is lagging. So guys, let me know in the comments if Telegram for you works good. But yeah, today for some reason a weird day. Sorry, I'm drinking coffee. Just did my last sip, and now I'm ready, full of energy. By the way, let's return back to AUD CHF. You see there was, even though here was a signal to open the trade in the downward direction, it went up. So this was a false signal that I told you that it's better not to open the trade in the other direction from the main trend. So this one is a kind of risky trade, as I told you, because the signal to open the trade in the downward direction was here, then it was there, so somewhere there, and I opened the trade here, like super low. But if we check the price on 5 minutes time frame, we see that it's still far from the support line, but still it's risky. Like, we entered halfway. It's better to open the trade, you know, here when it just starts to go down. But I entered a little bit late, but I just saw the clear structure right there, so I believe that this one is gonna be profitable. But we are just warming up. This is the first trade, so let's see. We analyzed just 2 charts, right? Let's go for the next. I'm opening the charts and checking them on every time frame. Well, basically I'm checking them on 30 seconds and 5 minutes. And even though on this one, BHD, CNY, I didn't see a clear not clear structure, but the signal, I still decided to analyze it because maybe it has clear structure, and later we can open here many profitable trades. I see there are many touches, so I think the first support line is somewhere there, and the second support line can be somewhere there, or maybe even lower. But here I see many touches, so I believe that the support line is somewhere here. And the signal to open the trade in the downward direction was somewhere there. So here also there is a signal, but MACD lines are crossed in the oversold zone. So for me it's not the perfect signal, but I could enter there. But when I see the signal first time on any chart, I would prefer just to watch it, you know, to see if the signal was correct or it was false signal, and only on the next signal I would enter. So if you see the signal but it's the first time when you're operating for the day on this chart, you better watch, and then on the next, if the first signal was really good, on the second you can enter because you already watched how the price is behaving on this chart, how it's moving, if it's fast or if it's slow. And the last 10 seconds, and we can say that it's a 99% profitable trade on AUD and ZD. So we started good our trading session, $92 profit. Good job, Julia. So guys, congratulations to everybody if you entered with me, because I know some people are entering with me during my trading sessions. And yeah, don't forget that if you want to become a part of my community of traders on Telegram, there is the QR code on the screen that you can scan and you can join my community of traders. And also, if you have any questions about how I do that or any questions about trading, you can always text me in my private messages. Also, the link is in the description. You can click on that and I'll try to reply on all of your questions. And yeah, on my Telegram channel there are always many giveaways for you guys, many strategy breakdowns, and many Telegram circles about me, my statistics, my trades, and much more. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to join. And let's continue. I don't know why, maybe I got super excited or worried. I feel like I have not enough not enough air to breathe, or maybe it's the coffee that made me, I don't know, anxious for some reason. I don't know. Let's drink some water. So BHD CNY is approaching the support. Maybe I would open here the trade soon in the upward direction, but again it's gonna be a risky one if I open it. Why I feel like my camera went too much up? Is it me touching the camera? Or the ghost? I have ghosts, or maybe it's me. Maybe I touched it with my foot, because you know I'm a lady long leg, so I'm always beating my head with something. My legs are always, if I'm going on the plane, my legs are always touching the seat in front, my knees. So yeah. And even when I'm streaming, my legs are touching something. Oh, actually CGF and OK. Seems like has a clear structure. Let's see it. Huh? Look, perfect. Upward channel. And soon probably there will be a signal to open the trade in the downward direction, but on 30 seconds it moves so slow. I don't know how much time do we need to receive the the signal in the downward direction. I think we can open the trade in the upward direction. Maybe, because it still didn't touch the support. And here on 5 minutes or 10 minutes time frame, it looks like it's kinda close, right? But if we check it on 30 seconds, it's super far from the resistance. I think I said support again. I'm thinking about support and I'm saying resistance. I'm thinking about resistance and I'm saying aloud support. I'm sorry guys, I think you're confused because of me, but it's just me. I can't think, analyze and talk at the same time. This multitasking, the one that I can't do. But sometimes I do that good, but seems like not today. Anyway, I would love maybe to open here the trade in the upward direction, but here it looks like a little bit of laterality, you see? Goes up, toon, 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 toon. So maybe we can open here the trade on 50 seconds time frame for like, how many seconds? What do we have here? There was 806, 807. For 1 minute we can actually open the trade. Well, 1 minute 1 minute trades are kind of risky. I do not prefer to go on the time frame lower than 30 seconds. But sometimes, you know, I love the risk. I think we all love the risk, and that's why we're all gathered here on my stream, right? So maybe I can risk a little bit and open here the trade for 1 minute in the upward direction. But yeah, but I'm just telling you that this one is gonna be risky and not 100% sure that it's gonna be profitable, but it looks like, look, it starts going up. So let's prepare for 1 minute. Maybe I will open after, I think, the closure of this candle. If it's, oh yeah, I entered $100, 1 minute. Oh my god, usually the minimum that I'm opening the trades is for 3 minutes, but sometimes, you see, risky Julia wakes up, the devil inside of me wakes up, and usually these trades are not profitable for me, and then I start hating myself that I took this risk, and at least during my live trading sessions, when I go for that risk, they are not profitable. But maybe today is my day. Look, it went pretty good up. I like these green candles. And the last 10 seconds, let's see how it goes. Come on, no. As I told you. I'm not lucky on my live streams. I don't know why. Okay, that was again the lesson. But guys, if your trade closed with a profit, my congratulations to you, because you see, this is the risk opening the trades on the time frame 15 seconds. Because in 2 seconds and 1 second, everything can change. So 1 second ago you're profitable, 1 second after you are completely not profitable. So okay, that's fine. I still want to open the trade here in the upward direction, but maybe, you know what, maybe I would love here to open again the trade in the small time frame, but this time maybe for 2 minutes. We can open next one for 2 minutes, because right now for me it looks like if I would open the trade for 2 minutes, it would be profitable, you see, because it still goes up. Just this small candle, this one small candle destroyed everything. But now look, it even breaks my resistance that I drew here. So I would love right now I would love to open here the trade for maybe even more. Let's see where is gonna be the closure of this one, because I believe that in the near future it will continue going up like it was going up here. You see here it was also, for some reason it was stuck there and then it went up, and now it got stuck again here, but I believe that it will continue going up. I just wanted to go a little bit further. Okay, 5 minutes, $100, I'm in again, but this time for 5 minutes. I hope that this one for 5 minutes is gonna be profitable, because I just wanted to prove first of all to myself that it's better and less risky to open the trades for 5 and 3 minutes than for 1-2 minutes as I wanted some risky trades. AUDCHF actually formed a signal to open the trade in a downward direction, but to tell the truth, I don't think so. I don't think that it's a good idea to open here a trade in a downward direction, even though on 30 seconds it looks pretty good. AUD and ZD. Remember, actually I wanted here to open the trade in the upward direction, but it has a downward trend, so I think right now, because it's kinda late already, I think it's better to wait for the next signal when it's gonna go down from the resistance. So we will wait for the next one, this one. Okay, it goes up. And let's go for the next. Euro CHF. I don't remember what is this channel that I put here, or maybe it's the pocket option which is glitching, I don't know. But yeah, it looks like right now it's right on the support. So maybe in Euro CHF soon we will be able to open the trade in the upward direction. I would love maybe even like that, you know, because I don't think that it's breaking yet. So Euro CHF, we have an eye on this one. We have an eye, we're waiting. Maybe it's gonna break it for a little bit. Maybe it's gonna be a false break. But yeah, we need to watch it. So yeah, I put it in my list of the favorites charts for today, and look like CHF and OK went so much up, and we still have here 2 more minutes, even more to wait. So guys, I don't know what even tell you what's new in my life. So the truth, I have nothing new, because these days we have rain in my city and I'm not going out. The only thing that my friend from London came today to Athens, and I would love to meet him. Didn't see him for 6 months, I think, or maybe even more. So yeah, maybe this weekend we're gonna meet. And by the way, on Monday we also have a day off in Greece. It's a clean Monday celebration, so I don't know, maybe we'll also go out somewhere. So I'm waiting so much for this weekend, for the days off. But before, we need to make some money, right? Oh, what was that? Why it all went? Oh, okay, it's my channel that I actually draw. Just for some reason. Yeah, I don't know, but I think like pocket option is not working today pretty good, or maybe they are doing some updates and they are trying to improve the website. And oh my god, on 30 seconds time frame we can finally see the resistance. Maybe that's why it appeared right now, because we are so close to the resistance, and right now it can start going down. And we still have 40 seconds. So please, not right now. I'm begging you, not right now. Just wait for 30 more seconds. But I don't know if it starts going down. I mean, it went so much up and only green candles, but oh my god, and on 15 seconds time frame, already the red candle. Oh my god. Oh my god, no, I don't like it. On 50 seconds we can see that it's already started to go down. No, I like on 30 seconds. It's all green. It's still green. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you see, I proved one more time, first of all, to myself, that it's more secure, less risky to trade on the higher time frames and to open the trades for the higher time than 1 minute. So guys, congratulations to all of you who entered with me, if you entered with me. And if you want to learn more about trading, if you want to join my community of traders, my team of traders, there is the QR code on the screen which you can scan, or you can join my Telegram channel through the link in the description of this stream. I'll be more than happy if you do that. And also, if you have any questions about trading, about my strategy, all the information is already in my Telegram channel. My strategy is well explained there. And if you have any questions, I'm always ready to answer you in the private messages on Telegram. There is also the link to my private Telegram messages, to my direct messages, so you can text me through the link in the description of this stream. Don't be shy, there are also many giveaways. Almost every week I'm doing giveaway on my Telegram, so guys, if you want to participate in the giveaways from me, you can also join that. AUD seems like got stuck, you see there. And we can also maybe take an advantage of it. Why not? Maybe soon there will be a signal to open the trade in the upward direction. So, still looking for that. And AUD and ZD finally touched the resistance, and right now it's going down. The MACD lines are about to cross in the overbought zone. So maybe soon I will open here the trade in the downward direction. We will see. For now the signal didn't form. It can happen actually like there. The price will start going down and then it will go up again. So it's important for us not to get on this correction, you know. So maybe not for 5 minutes, but for how long should we open the trade? Wait, here 752, 759. We can actually open the trade for 5 minutes, I think, because yeah, there are actually like even more than 5 minutes. This is more than 5 minutes, so maybe we can open here the trade for 5 minutes. Maybe it's actually a good time frame. After the closure of this candle, I think I'm ready to open for 5 minutes. Oh my god. But someone tells me it's gonna be too much. Maybe for 4 minutes. Let's open for 4. something inside of me tells me that 5 minutes is too much. Okay, 4 minutes, $250, and 4 minutes in the downward direction here. This one still goes down. I think it will go down till here maybe. So I would say we can maybe even have time to open here the trade in the downward direction. And TGF and okay, actually. Seems like starts going down. The signal here formed, but I think it doesn't have enough volatility. So maybe I would wait a little bit more. I think it's too early to open the trade in the downward direction. Like it happened also here. Actually, we can see in the history, right? Where was it? Wait, I lost it. Here it was touching, right? Here it looks like it started going down. For 2 candles for 20 minutes, and then it went up again to touch the resistance, and then it went so much down. So I want to open the trade not here but here, you know, when it will be 100% sure for us that the price started to go down. For now, maybe it's even gonna break the resistance, we don't know. Here we're still waiting 2 more minutes. And here, oh my god, it broke my support. Okay, let's check on the longer time frame what is going. Oh, actually I can see here another channel on 30 minutes. On 30 minutes it actually has the downward channel. And it looks like it will go down much more and for much longer time. Maybe we can open here the trade, look. Oh my god, maybe it was false break here, huh? Wow. But also big chances to get into correction, because you know when it's just so many bearish candles in a row and you're thinking like, okay, I will open the trade for like 5 minutes and it will go much more down like here. But no, we can get onto correction like here or here. It can start going up, and so maybe right now it will be risky to open the trade here. But on 5 minutes, oh my god, it looks amazing. On 5, like on longer time frames, it looks amazing. It looks like the best time right now to open the trade. Okay, AUD and ZD is down, but we still have 30 more seconds of waiting. So guys, as you noticed, one trade that I opened for 1 minute was not profitable today, the risky one that I didn't want to enter, but I wanted to have something risky. And so now I increase the size of the trade, the money, and this is how I'm covering what I lost, $100 that I lost. Right now we're gonna get $225 profit, which sounds amazing. Yay, $475. Boom. Amazing, 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 guys. Congratulations to everybody who entered with me. Please put me likes. Click on the likes under this live stream. I hope that you love that trade. I hope that you also got some profit maybe from this one. And again, guys, if you want to learn more about trading, about my strategy, participate in the giveaways, the link is in the description. You can click on that. There is also the QR code on the screen that you can press and not press, scan and join my my Telegram channel. Also, if any questions about what I do, what is my strategy, there is the link to my private messages. You can text me, ask me anything you want, and I'll try to reply to each one of you. Why I don't see the chat? Okay, anyway guys, let's continue. We have 30 more minutes. Oh my god, it still goes down. Should I try to open here with 100 maybe for 5 minutes? Let's go. Boy, wait, I pressed something. I need my trades. Yeah, for 5 minutes and Euro CHF I opened the trade, even though I didn't want to open because there are no signals, but my analysis says that it's an amazing time to open the trade in Euro CHF right now. Even maybe a little bit earlier would be also an amazing time to open the trade in the downward direction, but I opened right now, so let's see. I am in. I saw so many bearish candles, and I saw that it's still so far from the support line, so I believe that it will continue going down for the next maybe 10-20 minutes, so we can take an advantage of it and get an amazing profit. The market today is amazing. I think on my streams I'm always complaining that the market is bad. It's always changing the directions, the trends. Like on the previous stream, actually, there were a lot of trend reversals that were difficult to identify. Sometimes I managed to identify them, sometimes I didn't. But today, it seems like the market is amazing for all the traders. So guys, take the maximum advantage of the days like this. Because it's very rare when the market is so generous like today and so calm and has clear structures on many charts, on many actives, on many currency pairs. So yeah, but you know what, I'm afraid that right now I'm gonna curse it. That right now, after I said so many good things about the market, now it will start, going bad. I hope it's never gonna happen today, at least for the next 30 minutes till my stream is still going. But in AUD/CHF, I see the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. So here we have the support. It was there, but I put it a little bit more down because here we have the touch right then. The resistance goes here, touches, goes down, down, touches almost the support, and like that it moves in waves. And right now on 30 seconds we can see that it started to go so much up. But I don't know, so far AUD/CHF is a little bit chaotic. So I don't know if I should open here the trade, because this one, in comparison with all the other charts that we opened today, here the trades, and oh my god, why it started to go up, the correction, the one that I was afraid of. No. Anyway, in comparison with all the other charts, AUD/CHF looks for me a little bit chaotic, so that's why I would still maybe just watch this chart. Just watch. I think this one we need just watch. Even though when I'm opening 30 seconds it looks like it has clear structure, but on 30 seconds it looks a little bit chaotic. Like, look how many times my moving average just crossed like crazy. Oh my god, correction. And we have the longest 55 seconds to wait. They will be long, believe me. At least for me, they're gonna be long. Oh my god. Only 10 seconds passed. I need just to drink water. I need your support, guys, please. Share this live stream with your friends and put me likes. The more likes I got from you, the better will be this trend. This trade, not trend. And trend as well. If you put me like right now, the trade will be profitable. Oh my god, it's so close. Oh my god, I don't want to look at the screen. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I did it. Woohoo! Oh my god, such a relief. Okay. The thing that I was afraid happened to me, but we are still profitable, so congratulations to everybody, guys, who got this one. And of course, right now when my trade finished, it started to go down. Right now, after so much stress, right now it goes down. So it's just a small correction, guys. It was a small correction that we overcame successfully, and it's still super far from the support, and I would love maybe to open the trade here again in the downward direction. Even though I don't have the signal from my indicators to open the trade, it's just my resistance and support lines that I drew. They are saying to me that this is an amazing time for now also to open the trade in the downward direction. But again, I'm afraid. For me, the perfect trade is when support, resistance, and my indicators all together, they are showing me the signal. I'm feeling myself more confident. Right now, I think that the price will go down, but I'm not 100% confident in that, because again, we can get into correction like this time happened. So getting hot here. Such an amazing trade, but maybe let's wait a little bit, and maybe like the previous time again I will enter here. CHF and OK went so much up, broke my resistance that I drew, goes to the moon, goes to the moon. Maybe it's a trend reversal, maybe it's a false break. We will see. For now, also, we are just watching. This one actually can become lateral. That's also one of the reasons that I'm not opening here the trade, because it can become a lateral, like here, for example. Imagine here I would open in this point in the downward direction, right, at 724, and my trade closes here in 4 minutes, right, upper than this entry point. So it's like a laterality here, right? So, but no, it goes down. Okay, let's see. Maybe I will open. This one. Remember I told you to open the trade in the upward direction, but then I said to you that it moves chaotically, and look again here, looks like a laterality. Imagine me opening the trade somewhere here, hoping that the price will go up till the resistance, which is somewhere there up, and now it got stuck there. So yeah, it's very important to see these trend reversals. AUD NZD already has too many touches of the resistance, so there might be a trend reversal, but it can also start going down. Okay, this one started to go down, but kind of slower than before. Like, look how much it went down here, and right now it found maybe some support, so maybe it's good that I didn't enter here. Well, actually, look here. there was something in this zone, right? We can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, 6, even 7 candles, and then it went again down. So for 7 candles there is something. I can even draw it. Like when you see here the candles, that means that something interesting was going on there. And look, now if I put it, boom, 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 boom. It's not something not predictable, right? That the price got a little bit stuck here. So because it was before there, right? And the price remembers about that. So that's why it can't overcome this support zone. Oh, look, by the way, AUD seems like overcame this laterality and now it goes up. But again, I want just to watch this. Maybe just to watch, but it's been a long time since I didn't open anything. I feel like it's time to open. Maybe in AUD and ZD I can open something. Look, here was the signal at 8:28, and at 8:32 the price reached, let's say, went more down. So 5 minutes. Let's go. Nah. I see, remember here also the support. I don't know. I changed my mind. I saw these lines here, and maybe not. Let's check some other charts. I don't want to, to destroy my stats, because I had today so many good trades that I don't want to open something risky. I said to you, let's go, and I didn't enter. I feel bad about that, guys. I'm sorry. I changed my opinion super quick. But when I feel bad about something, usually you see, I wanted to open here the trade in a downward direction, and what happened? It goes up. Oh, CGF and okay, look. It looks like it was a false breakdown, and right now it started to go down. Okay, let's open here the trade for 5 minutes in the downward direction. Okay, did I enter? No. CGF and okay, 5 minutes in the downward direction, $100. I opened the trade in. So yeah, this one actually moves super slow, but kinda it's steady. It has clear structure, even though it broke here the resistance, but look, there was a little bit of laterality, yes, but here it was also super steady. And in general, look, for such a long time it was super steady. So, and I already once opened NC Chap and okay today the trade, and it was profitable. So in this trade I kinda trust. My phone is dying, only 5% of the battery. I don't know why you need this information. So the truth, recently I'm dreaming about the glasses, Meta glasses with a camera, because I want to shoot vlogs. I'm curious if any of you has these glasses, because I noticed that right now many content creators, they have these glasses, and I started also to want them. By the way, Euro CHF, look, it starts going up. I don't believe that it will go too much up, so I don't want to open here the trade in the upward direction. But this one, three more minutes. So I think it's time for us to move on, all right? So I hope that you don't mind me singing. Just a sec. Okay. Sorry, I'm back. Just looked at my YouTube if everything is working. You know, I'm always anxious about my stream that something goes wrong. Because recently I was shooting the video and then something happened with my microphone, probably something with the cable, and the sound went so bad. So, you know, you need always to check. Always check what's going on. Euro GPY, by the way, super lateral. Maybe I can open soon here the trade in the downward direction and Euro GPY. I think it's somewhere super close to the resistance and it goes so fast up that maybe soon there will be a nice signal. Sharpen, okay, what happened? Right on my entry point, we got into the correction. So maybe 5 minutes were too much, because you know I'm trying always whether to put the time more so we overcome this situation, this correction, or to put less so we close the trade before this starts. So seems like I needed maybe a little bit less time, or maybe a little bit more time, because we got into correction. So 5 minutes were not enough, unfortunately. But okay, that's fine. 70-80% of the trades are profitable, and 20-30% of the trades are not profitable. Unfortunately, we are human beings, so we are not robots. Even robots, AI can't be profitable on trading. But yeah, we are just moving on, and I hope that we'll find one more amazing trade, or maybe even two. So maybe even later I will open the trade on CHF and OK in the downward direction. I hope that it's not the change of the trend reversal. It's not the trend reversal. So Euro GPY seems like started to go down, but it's actually kind of too early to go down. But we will see. By the way, guys, my next stream will be again on the next week. Usually, if you're first time on my stream, I always do the streams every Tuesday and every Thursday. So yes, same time, same place. every Tuesday and Thursday. If you don't want to miss any of my streams of my trading sessions, you can also follow my Telegram channel. The QR code is on the screen. You can scan it and join my Telegram channel. Also, if you have any questions about trading, about the strategy that I'm using, or anything else, you can also always text me my private messages on Telegram. The link is also in the description of this stream, and you're more than welcome to text me. And now you see it starts going down. Okay, I will wait more. Euro, GPY. What should I do here? Maybe for 3 minutes in the downward direction, Euro GPY, I'm in. So this time I put it for 3 minutes because I think on actual CHF and OK 3 minutes would be just enough. You see now it goes down again, and I can try actually to open here the trade again, and also for 3 minutes in the downward direction, because you see we overcame this correction, and maybe I can open here the trade again. Let's see what will be the color of this candle. And so where it will go. Look, now it's green. Maybe to wait a little bit more here. Okay, here we're waiting for 2 more minutes. Let's see there. But oh my god, I want to open here again the trade. I want to enter here one more time. And I want to change the music. Funk. If you didn't know, I love funk so much. Oh, it starts going up. No. Okay, at least with this one goes down, seems like. Well, maybe it moves that slow because it's close to the resistance. Here it looks like the change of the trend. As I told you, too many touches of the resistance line, so maybe that's why. Okay, let's wait there. So after the stream, because it's almost 9 p.m. for me, I'll go to relax. Don't know what you guys have for the evening, what are the plans. But yeah, I will go to relax. Even though today I woke up kinda late. I woke up at 11 a.m. I think, which is late actually for me, but tomorrow I want to wake up earlier. I want to shoot some YouTube videos on my YouTube channel. So guys, if you're still not following me on my YouTube channel, click that on that follow button right now, because many new videos about trading, about my strategy are coming. Probably on the next week, because I also need to edit them. And boom, $480. Yes. Nice. So the previous trade was not profitable, but this one was profitable, and this makes me super happy. I hope that you guys also got the profit if you opened this trade with me, because I know some of you are repeating my trades. So congratulations to everybody. I hope that you enjoyed this trading session. I don't think that we have time to open one more trade, even though Euro GPY looks amazingly good. Maybe I would love to open actually here the trade for 5 minutes in the downward direction. Let's go. $100 and 5 minutes in Euro GPY. I'm in here. This is actual Euro GBY is in lateral trend. So when the trend is lateral, I'm opening the trades and in the upward and in the downward direction. It doesn't matter. But I prefer to open the trades when there is a trend, upward or downward. When there is a lateral trend, I don't like to open in the trades. But I just wanted one last trade. Couldn't couldn't hold myself. But yeah, guys, it's very important to not over trade. But as I told you, the market today is amazing. It's stable, it has clear structure on many charts, and that's why we can take an advantage of it. But again, it's very important to not over trade. So this is gonna be the last one, and no matter if it's gonna be profitable or not profitable, I'm not gonna say one more. Like, you know, I'm gonna stop on this, I promise you. So in 3 minutes, probably in 3.5 minutes, I will close my stream. So yeah, let's wait a little bit here. And yeah, hope that well, if you want, you can continue doing trading without me after the stream. But yeah, please do not over trade, especially if you are a newbie. Little by little, step by step. Do not try to get your monthly salary in one day. Small profits every day, and then when you become an expert in trading like me, or maybe even better than me, you can trade more. Ooh, seems like it starts going up, and I don't like that. Well, actually, maybe it found something here. You see, where is our price? Like the previous time, there was a resistance, right? And the price couldn't overcome this level here. But then it overcame here and it went up. And right now, it uses this zone as a support. Before it was the resistance, and now this is a support. But I actually entered earlier, so maybe it's not gonna reach this level. But we have 2 more minutes. Oh my god, right now these 2 minutes look like 1 hour, right? Feels like 1 hour. Well, actually there were today many trades that I opened without getting the signal from my indicators. I opened them just using support and resistance lines. But in general, I think today the market is slow, and sometimes it's good for us, sometimes it's bad for us. CHF on okay, you see still goes down. Maybe you can continue trading, actually operating here on this one, because I feel like for the next 30 minutes maybe it will continue going down, so you can take an advantage of it and get some really nice profit. But yeah, but I'm here, and as I told you, this is gonna be the last trade, even though I want to get to open the trade on CHF and okay. But I will hold myself, finish the live stream, and go to relax. Because tomorrow seems like it's gonna be a difficult day. YouTube videos are not that simple for me to shoot. I'm not a pro blogger, I'm a better trader than streamer, but I'm trying to do my best for my community of traders. And yeah, guys, don't forget, if you want to get more strategy or instruments, indicators, breakdowns, you can always join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. There is a QR code on the screen that you can scan and join my Telegram channel. Every week, almost every week, I'm doing giveaways for my followers, so if you want to participate, you're more than welcome to join it. And boom, $192 profit, guys. I hope that you enjoyed my stream. Kisses and hugs to all of you, and I'll see you on